Growing up, we all have heard a saying that patience is a virtue. Well, today let us explore if that is true and if you are impatient, how to overcome it. Hello everyone. If you are new here, consider subscribing my channel because I think I post some interesting motivational stuff. Before diving into whether patience is a virtue, let us understand what is patience. Patience is the capacity to accept or tolerate delay, problems, or suffering without becoming annoyed or anxious. Well, I know that is a complex explanation. Now, for an easy one. Patience is the quality of waiting calmly without complaining. An example of patience is someone standing peacefully in a very long line. Now, moving to the question, why is patience considered a virtue? Virtue, as we all know, is the quality of being morally good. The meaning of the saying, patience is a virtue, is the ability to wait for something without getting angry or upset is a valuable quality in a person. Friends, now that we have understood what patience is a virtue means, I want you to hear this saying. The day you plant the seed is not the day you eat the fruit. Okay, now that you have heard the saying, you might be thinking, so what should you do to eat the fruit? Well, the answer is simple. You have to be patient. Yes, you have to be patient to eat the fruit since the seed that you have planted has to grow into a plant, bear flowers, and then fruits. So, even if you have taken the effort to plant the seed, it does not mean that you will get the fruits instantly. You have to wait, that is, you have to be patient. And that is why patience is a virtue. Just try to run through any of the holy books. You will surely find a dedicated section explaining the importance of patience in our life. Since time immemorial, patience has been considered a virtue. We all know it's hard to master, but who have mastered it have made a name for themselves in history. The difference between failure and success, happiness and sorrow, is actually the presence of patience in your character. If you have patience in you, believe me, half the battle is won. Mix it with hard work and you will be able to fulfill any of your dreams. Patience is hard. It's very difficult and frustrating to wait, but it has long-term benefits and that is why it's a virtue. Patience helps us to focus on your long-term goals, helps us to develop skill set and reputation for persistence. Those who practice patience experience better mental and physical health. Well, after seeing the immense benefits of patience, you would surely want to incorporate it in your life. Patience is hard, but not to worry, my friends. You have to remember that patience is a skill and any skill can be mastered by practice. I would like to suggest some techniques which I believe would surely help you in your journey of mastering patience. Firstly, you should have a calm mind. The first step to incorporate patience in your life will be to have a calm mind. You can practice meditation and relaxation skills to calm your mind. The mind is like a water. When it is turbulent, it is difficult to see. When it is calm, everything becomes clear. Secondly, think before you speak. Well, there might not be anyone who has not heard these precious words, but it is not that simple. Most of the time, we speak without thinking, and this leads us to uncomfortable situations. Be sure to taste your words before you spit them out. Practice it a few times, and you will be good to go. Thirdly, try to put things in perspective. Try to think whether the matter will be relevant the next week too. I bet most probably the answer is a big no. Doing this will surely help you to control your emotions, and here, my friends, the seed of patience will be sown. Focus on the bigger picture and your long-term goals. Just think of the benefits that you will get and keep pushing yourselves harder. Stop and take a few deep breaths. It is always not necessary to respond in every situation. When things are not going your way, stop, take a few deep breaths. Inhaling and exhaling will help to calm your mind and body. You will feel strong and confident and you will be motivated to walk faster on the road of patience. Number 5. Know when to take a step back or walk away and think. When in stress or in a fight, take a step back and think. You can even go for a small walk. Doing this will calm your mind and will help you to get a better perspective of the events. Having a correct perspective of events is an essential ingredient in mastering patience. Number 6. Say these magical words to yourselves daily. Patience is a virtue and you have it in you to get it the hard way. Saying these magical words when you get up in the morning is a good way to kickstart your day. If possible, say these words in between the day too to provide that added motivational kick. Now let us hear a story of patience. Once a king wanted to appoint one of his subjects as his personal assistant. When the news spread, many people gathered in front of the palace to get the job of the personal assistant. The king knew that the job required a lot of patience, so he thought to test it out. He called all the contenders to a pond near the palace. When all of them arrived, he showed them a pot and told them to fill it with water from the pond, and later added that there is a hole in the pot. Half of the people, after listening it, left without even trying. Few of them tried once and twice and left. But one man kept filling the pot with pond's water patiently. He filled water in the pot and kept it on the ground, but every time the water dripped out on the ground completely. He tried many times but in vain. At last the pond was empty. The man found a diamond ring in the empty pond and gave it to the king. The king said, "Keep the ring with you. This is the reward of your patience and hard work. You are also appointed as my personal assistant." Thus, it is very well said that patience always pays. How was the story, my friends? I hope you enjoyed it and also understood the importance of patience. Patience is a virtue and we all need to incorporate it in our life. The will or ability to wait or endure without complaint is truly a great virtue to have. Be strong enough to let go and wise enough to wait for what you deserve. Hope you all loved my content. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Also, do not forget to leave your valuable comments below.